Hello everyone, this over here is the KEF Model 2, the reference series. This is the outer construction of the speaker. It's made in plain wood. Now these are very old speakers, around 20 years ago they were released for around $3,000, but still they are in pristine condition. There is the KEF logo. It's mounted on a speaker grill, and that can be removed as usual. Although there are some speakers whose grill cannot be removed, but you can remove these grills. The grills are in pristine condition. The overall, it's a vinyl finish, black wooden finish. Looks really good. And this is not made in China. This was made in the UK, and therefore the build quality is superb. That's the grill taken off, and you can see it's still the original grill made by KEF. It held onto its plates by these four pillars, small pillars. There's a mesh type finishing inside. These are the pillars. They are not damaged. It's a rare sight to be seen in speakers which are like 20 years old. And that's the front of the speaker. You can only see one driver over here along with the tweeter. Now a tall boy type speaker system that employs a unique driver and TCC system. A unique interport bus system, the twin coupled TCC system, is used for the low frequency. And we'll get to it once we go inside and see where the lower frequency is. I mean, how the subwoofer inside it, the woofer, you will see it once we head inside this. So there are two 16 centimeter pulp cone type woofers, the B160, and they're mounted back to back inside the cabinet. That is the unique driver with the tweeter inside. This is also a 16 centimeter driver, and it's installed in the middle to make sure that the high frequency ranges and the middle ranges are all covered. Heading inside, I'll show you the woofer which I was talking about. Now this bar which you see is to prevent interference and sound energy cancellation between the two woofer units. One of the woofer units is above, and then there's another woofer unit. If I can just go down there you can see the other woofer unit. It's called the B160, and they are mounted back to back inside this cabinet. And by absorbing and emitting both units the same sound pressure as a normal unit with twice the vibration width is obtained. And each unit is grounded in a box-shaped cavity located in the upper and lower part of the cabinet, which you can see. The frequency is tuned by a hole or an interport in this cavity, which I'm going to show you, the plastic part. That's the upper woofer. Now this mechanism enables extremely high speed and thick low frequency reproduction. And it's also matched by the air diaphragm laid out in the same plane as the mid-range and the high-range units. And as I was talking earlier, that there is this 50 mm diameter force cancelling rod, and it's made of hard aluminum. As you can see, it joins the two woofer magnets section to prevent delayed resonance. So let's talk about the speaker itself. This unit uses an MB160 for the cone woofer and an NT25 for the soft dome tweeter. So in addition to the coaxial structure, the diaphragm is positioned at the same point in the depth direction, so that the center of the sound is completely overlapped. This realizes a single sound source that matches in all points of time, space, and directivity. These are the golden legs, as you can say. The legs are equipped with a gold-plated brass insulator, and in addition the core of the legs can be inverted to form spikes as well, and the length can be adjusted according to the condition of the floor surface. Let's go check out the crossover. Over here we can see some of the dimensions, the specifications. The frequency response is 45 Hz to 20 kHz. The impedance is 4 ohms. The maximum output level is 113 decibels. We have a crossover frequency of 150 Hz to 3 kHz. The weight of the speaker is 25 kg. We have spike attachments. This unit is made in the UK. We can go for the bi-amplification system as well. We can bi-wire them if our amplifier supports it, and up to 200 watts of amplification should be enough. I've removed these screws so that I can open the crossover to show you what's inside. And these are the screws, and here is the crossover. Copper wiring, oxygen-free copper wiring. There you can see the crossover. It's quite big. And soon I'll be doing a complete review of these speakers with the older review I had, plugging in the NAD amplifier. That is the crossover, and it's in pretty neat condition. No damage whatsoever. The network section is designed based on an original computer data analysis. In addition, oxygen-free copper wires is used for the wiring material to enable high purity transmission. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.